Hello, back again, this time for the Unity prefab tutorial. Should save you some time, hopefully. Alright, so first, I duplicated the current prefab, rename it, or rename the duplicate as, I don't know, let's go Boston, since they just won last night. And we're gonna have to do that. Alright, and then after you rename the new prefab or the duplicate prefab, you pull it down just like you're making a normal prefab, but instead you click prefab variant. And the cool thing about prefab variants is you can make changes on them and it won't affect the original prefab, but if you make changes to the original prefab, it'll affect the variant. So for instance, let's go into the, well, I should have saved, but it's cool. We'll go into I'm in the prefab variants edit page, and if I have green, I'll make them green real fast and you'll see what I'm talking about. I do. Alright, there we go. That'll work. Alright, so now he has a green shirt. Boom. Save. And the original prefab does not. But like in this is gonna be a football game. I'm gonna need to make what's it called? Jerseys and just gear, but I don't want to have to remake gear for every single player. So prefab and prefab variants a pretty big help, because here I can make this into well, obviously it's not the jersey, but whenever we do have the jersey prefab, or whenever I do have the equipment art, I can put that in, and instead of doing it like 100 times, I'll just do it once, or much fewer times. Alright, so make it a little skinnier, and that'll be his top, I guess. And boom. Now theoretically they both have jerseys and or shoulder pads, and I guess we could have made his there you go. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The benefit of prefab variants and prefabs is just whatever you do on the main prefab gets done to all the prefab variants, but you can make changes to the variant that doesn't affect the main prefab. So I'm sure you'll find I hope you find a bunch of uses for that that'll save you some time. And like and subscribe for more Unity. I'll put some pants on this guy, and I'll let you go. Boom. Somewhat of pants, like I don't know, a kilt, square kilt, but you get the picture. Have a good one.